Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by, and I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you won't miss an upload. And to my returning subscribers, you know I love you so much. Well, as you can see, Maggie is right back there getting into all kinds of mischief. So what I have for you today is a Dollar Tree haul. They are putting out so many adorable new Valentine's finds. I don't know what to say, okay? So let's hop right on into this Dollar Tree haul for 2022. Ugh. Okay, let's just hit it, okay? The first thing I found is this truck, Be Mine, with the X's and O's. And Happy Valentine's. This is glitter and this is glitter, but none of this is. Is that not cute? I love that. That is so pretty. You could remake it or you could leave it alone. And were they through? No. Look, the camper. I found the camper. X and O, Be Mine. Be My Valentine. And look at that. The curtains, and I love this. I think that is so pretty, and I like the wood effect, and then the checks, so cute. So here they are together. If you've been looking for them, I sure hope you're able to find them because they are out, okay? Then I saw some more little signs. I'm on my way to steal your heart. Look at that. Is that not cute? I like how they made this red, that pink, and the little scooter with the heart and these flowers. So adorable, okay? Then I love food. I love cupcakes. Look at this with the heart and all those little hearts back in there. This would be so easy to make something like this, but here it is. Just love how that looks. And then this love mail. I mean, and it has a plastic front on it. Look at that. How adorable. You can hang it or set it. I'm crazy about this. Then I found these. These would be great. You get two for $1.25. This would be great tiered tray decor. Look at that. All you need is love, the glitter. How pretty. And that looks like stitching around through there. And then I picked you. How sweet. You could put this, like I said, in your tiered decor, or you could do a DIY with it. Okay, then I found this little sign. Look at this. Be Mine with the red glitter heart. And look at this little heart there. I think that's a nice little added touch. And they sort of look like individual blocks up here. I really think that is cute. You could put that out. That would be adorable little decor. And then I found some roses. And I've never seen anything like this in the Dollar Tree. You get 6 pieces, but look at this. Let me take this out. They look so realistic. Look at that. You could put them on a stem if you wanted, or you could just set them around in a tiered tray as well. So beautiful. But I love these, and they're that really light, peachy, like pink, but it's really pink. Then I got some white ones like that. And I'm pretty sure they had red ones. And like I said, you get 6 to a pack. But just look how realistic those look. And then these are a deeper pink. See the difference? A real, this, I guess it is a peach. A peach or a pale, pale pink. It's really coming across a little more pale pink in person. And then there's that vivid pink. And then they had tiny little, they call them foam roses on the smaller ones, but they have the small red ones. And you get 18 pieces to this. That would be cute to like scatter around in a tier tray. It would give you much more an upscale look. And then I just picked these up. These are on clips. You get 4. But I thought they were different. And they have like glitter. But it doesn't come off. But those are so pretty. Okay, then look, oh, and then I found these. These are like sticker paper flowers. I'm not that fond of the darker colors. I like the more pastel, but you get 12 pieces in there, and that is what they look like. They have that glitter on them. Get 3 of the red, 3 of like the burgundy, 3 very pale pink, and then 3 that's a little deeper pink. And then they did this basically with the same different colors. This is like a peachy color with the glitter, a pink, the orange, and the white. And Maggie sees a neighbor walking down the road, and it's just all hands on deck. Then look at this gorgeous heart ribbon lace that I found. That is so pretty. It's gorgeous, so delicate. I've never seen anything like this at my Dollar Tree. And how much do you get? 1.3 yards. I love that. You could put this around a pillow if you wanted to make a pillow. You could do so much with this, okay? Then I thought these were just everything. Pom-pom garland. Look at this. It's a really pretty pink pom-pom garland. I love this. You get 1.3 yards of this. And these pom-poms are not chintzy at all. They're nice and fluffy. Okay. And then I picked this up. It's the pink and the red. These would be pretty in tiered trays too. Or you could take these and maybe string some hearts off of them. So pretty. You could do so much. Okay. And then I found these. If you wanted to do a Valentine's Day heart, look at these. These are that really pretty glitter. This is the like a pastel, just matte, and this is shiny pink. I know it's hard to see. Let me take them out. See, look how pretty, and they're rather large too, so I thought that was really cute. And then they had it in the reds with the glitter, the flat matte, and then the shiny. So pretty. You get 6 pieces in each. Then they gave you plenty of cotton twine. 3 pieces. Look at this. That plain pink, that white and pink, and then the red. And you just get 32.8 feet. So love that. And then they have these really pretty felt stickers. These don't have any glitter at all. They're just the red and the pretty pink. And then they have white in here. They have red, pink, and white. And they have the smaller ones and the larger ones. So I think this is a good deal. You get 100 pieces of these. Whoa, what you could do. And then craft kit. Look at this. It's really cute. 10 pieces. Look at this. Hearts. Let me open these up and see what these actually have in them, because I really don't know. Oh, you can like glue this heart in the center of this or put it wherever you want. If you wanted, you could hang it maybe off of this garland. There's so much you could do. And then right here, oh look, and it has more, but I didn't see that. Then it has these little hearts like this, and it has a banner back in there. This I have to open. I have to see. So curious. And you get the little heart there. Then you get this. Oh, look at that. I love you. With this circle and these little hearts. And they're all just a little bit different. And these are plain. That is so neat. I really do like that. I hope you're able to find that because you really could create your really cute little banner using those items. Okay, then I found some new stickers. They call them table scatter for Valentine's. I don't really know what they have to do with Valentine's. I mean, the pink owl is cute, but then there's a fox, and I think that's like a hedgehog. And what is this? And then we have, I guess that's a squirrel. They're cute as they can be. And you get 12 pieces. So they're not sticky on the back, but you could glue them yourself. That is cute. Then I found one of these Happy Valentine's Day cake toppers. I think they had this in pink as well, but I thought that was really cute with that heart. Okay, and then they had another DIY craft kit. They seem to be doing a lot of this. This says love. It comes with the ribbon. It has these little sequins here, some little glitter items, and then these little other two things there. Look at all that for $1.25. If you wanted to get these and do crafts with your family, would be so much fun for Valentine's, okay? Then I found this one, another one, and it is a truck that has love with 2 hearts. You get the same little ribbon, all these little stones and embellishments, that little heart, and these sequins. Is that not adorable? They have totally stepped up their game. Then a couple more things and we're finished. I saw these stickers and I love Dollar Tree stickers. Look at this, all for Valentine's. XO, look at those little hearts. Be mine. Love you. The story of us. We live in a love story. Is that not adorable? You get 10 pieces. Then I thought this, I really wish I had gotten 2 of these. Look how adorable these are. That is just gorgeous right there. It truly is. Look at that. I love the suitcase, the camera, that mailbox. I love everything about this. So beautiful. 11 pieces in this. And then this is the last one, and I just thought it was really cute. Happy Valentine's Day. Love. Look at the little dog and these 2 little owls. And that monkey is cute. So that is everything that I found this week at the Dollar Tree. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps me out on YouTube. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of our family. And if you subscribe, hit that notification bell and set it to all so you won't miss an upload. So I will see you Friday for, I'm not sure what. I don't know if it's going to be a haul or maybe some Valentine's DIYs. I really haven't decided yet, but I will see you Friday. So let me get Maggie and let her say hi to you. Well, here is the baby. What are you doing? Sometimes she cracks me up. What are you doing, pretty girl? Oh, were you sleeping? Yes, you were having a good little, well, you really weren't sleeping this time. Say, no, I was just looking around, Mama. Yes. So, until next time, bye, guys.